Hi everyone, we want to look at how to construct the flower of life. So the seed of life is the first step, and it's basically going to follow the seed of life, and then you're going to continue putting circles around the seed of life. So we're going to start with the compass. We want to make sure that the point of the compass and the pencil or pen are even, otherwise it becomes pretty awkward. Basically we're going to have a circle and then a circle and a circle, so we don't want to make the starting circle too large. Now, one key thing about this is you need to be careful in your construction so that you're very accurate where you place your compass. We start with one circle, and then it's not going to matter where you start the next one, but I like to have the circle sort of lined up on top. So I'm going to line up my ruler through the center, the diameter, and try to adjust it so that the pen's going to touch the top. So that's where I'm going to place my first circle. So what we're doing here is the same as the flower or the seed of life. We're going to go to where the two circles intersect, and we're going to carefully place our compass there, and we're going to draw another circle. Then again, where the two intersect, we're going to draw another circle. And you notice each circle goes through the starting circle center. So again, we want to carefully make sure we're placing the compass as accurately as we can. And this is what we call the seed of life. In this shape, you can make a rectangle, a square, a regular triangle, a trapezoid, a rhombus, and I'm not sure if I'm forgetting other shapes. So it's sort of the seed of constructing and creating things, designing things, because we used a compass to design everything at one point. Houses, cathedrals. It was basically your #1 design tool, even navigating the sea. So the second step is to put a layer of circles around it. We're going to go where the two circles intersect, like here on top or here or here. And we're not going to move the compass at all in this construction, so we keep it locked or keep it from not moving. If it moves, you can readjust it. So we're going to go where the two intersect and draw another circle. And then where the circle we made and the one that was there meet, we're going to place another one. And then where these two meet, we're going to place another one. So where your last circle left off, where it intersects the circle that was there already, is where we're going to place our compass. So let's say I thought I was done. You can sort of see where you made a mistake, because at first only the inner circle, let's do that one first, these ones show the seeds or flower petals, whatever you want to call them. So then we went another layer outside. So the next layer of circles will also have these seeds, 6 of them inside the circle. For example, here there is only 1, 2, 3, and then up here there aren't any. So if we keep, shading that in, we have circles with seeds in them. And if you notice on the top, I didn't finish it on purpose, we can see that these seeds here are not completed. So that would be where the last one goes. So that's kind of an indicator that you've completed your flower of life. Is you would have not just the circle in the center with seeds, but then one more layer of circles also will contain those seeds. So, you know, just like the seed of life, I'll have to show that you have interesting things like square root of 2, square root of 3, and other angles as well. Ultimately, you can make something called Metatron's cube, which is like a 3-dimensional star shaped, using the flower of life. And you can do a bunch of other angles and designs as well. So this is the flower of life pattern. It's not too difficult to make, and hopefully that helps you understand a little bit more of how to make it. So one final step we can take to complete our flower of life is we want to have all of the circles with completed seeds. So in order to do that, we can simply start to go around and sort of like the seed of life, you're going to work with just one circle. You're not going to move your compass. You're going to go where 2 circles meet, make an arc, then go where you left off, make another, and then go where those intersect, complete another one. So now we have a completed seed in the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves or seeds. So we kind of want to go all the way around and do that to complete our flowers. Just going to keep going to here. So if you notice, we are not going past where we finished drawing. We're simply continuing all the way around the circles that are already there. So now again, we have the seeds, like here, filled in. So if you have trouble understanding how to do what I'm doing, I still need to go all the way around. You can look up the video for the seed of life, because we're basically doing that for the leftover circles. So again, where 2 circles intersect, we could put our compass, draw an arc, go where we left off, draw another 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 arc, and again, just make sure you don't go outside of the outline we have left with. Go where we left off, and I'm doing it kind of quickly, so it's starting to get a tiny bit misaligned. So again, I'll stress the importance of being careful with your compass and your placement. If you get it exactly right, it comes out beautifully. But a small, minor mistake will continue to get bigger and bigger until you have misformed seeds. So we're going to finish it up by going all the way around. And we are almost done. So again, if we look all the way around, we see everything completed, except I can notice here it's not finished the seed, and up here I forgot something. So again, you can usually find how to correct that by putting your pen where it should be marking, and then you can adjust your compass to the next spot over. And the bottom. here. So now, oh, I missed 2 more here. So again, we should have 6 seeds in every single circle now. And it appears we do, and that I didn't make a mistake. Oh, I have one right here that's missing. So let's fix that. So again, I can line up my pen where I need to make the drawing and put the compass on the next spot over. So we could begin to connect the dots. We can make all sorts of different shapes, or we could make the famous Metatron's cube. So that is the beginning of the flower of life pattern, and you could keep growing, but they tend to just stop here. In fact, I had read that this growing is our progress and growing and reaching towards the infinite. And sometimes in drawing this, they'll draw a large circle around it. And the idea is we can continue going and going towards the infinite, but you can never reach it. So hopefully this helped you to learn how to draw the flower of life. Have a good day.